9 minus 3 bracket 8 minus 3 looks simple enough, right? But this little expression tricks a lot of people. Here is what usually happens. They see 9 minus 3 bracket 8 minus 3 and jump straight into random subtraction. They do 9 minus 3 and this gives 6, and then inside the parentheses they do 8 minus 3, this gives 5, and they say 6 times 5 equals 30. They proudly say 30. This is quick and neat, but it is wrong. That's not how order of operation works. Remember PEMDAS? In PEMDAS, multiplication and division, they are of the same priority, and then addition and subtraction, they are also on the same hierarchy. That means whenever division and multiplication appear, you solve from left to right. Now let's fix it and solve it the proper way. This gives 9 minus, we have to solve what is in the parentheses first, and this gives 5. So this becomes 9 minus 3 bracket 5. After getting this, the next step is to rewrite this the right way so that we have 9 minus 3 times 5. And this becomes, we multiply before we subtract. So this gives 9 minus 15. And the answer becomes negative 6. So negative 6 is the correct answer. A quick recap: you solve parentheses first, then you rearrange, you write it the proper way, then you multiply, and then you subtract. Now try this: 10 minus 2 bracket 9 minus 4. Remember to follow PEMDAS carefully. Drop your answer in the comments and let's see who gets it right. If this help you clear things up, hit like, share it with someone who still mixes this up, and don't forget to subscribe for more math that looks easy but isn't. See you in the next video.